Thank you, Nawabzada. And a big thanks to all the students here, faculty here. I always knew Talha was not made for me. He was loved by his family, he was loved by his friends and family, but I really didn't know him. He had so many lovers over here in college, Petaro as well. What is gone is sadly gone. What was the lesson for us? Is that we, especially the youngsters here, have to be very careful. When we are grandfathers, when we be irresponsible, we don't understand the loss we will give to our parents, to our friends, whether we are hurt, whether something goes wrong. It's very kind of the faculty. All the prayers, he's been getting the love, he's got the prayers, he's got in Kumri, the prayers he's getting here. I am definitely sure Allah has sent him straight to the best place in India. It was an honor coming here, visiting this beautiful faculty, this beautiful place you made here, and I have a lot of friends who are Petarians. And as you said, even my boss was a Petaro. So, inshallah, this was my first trip, but I'm sure I will keep coming. And if there is anything for the government to send for this wonderful institution, we will all do it. Thank you.